The idea of looking for the inverse function and determine what is the inverse function of a particular function will follow. I have a function f of x equals 2x plus 3. One process to determine where its inverse function is I'm going to write the equation as y equals 2x plus 3. I'm going to switch the variables around. And then solve for y. Once that's done, it is said to say that I have found the inverse of this particular function, and I can write it as f inverse of x equals 1/2 x minus 3/2. So these two functions, 2x plus 3 and 1/2 x minus 3/2, are inverses of each other. If we were to graph these, 2x plus 3 is roughly and then the graph of 1/2 x minus 3/2 crosses at negative 3/2, crosses right about there, has a graph of up 1 over 2. And these graphs, are also symmetric about the y equals x axis, which we'll find true for inverse functions. So to find the inverse of a function, I'll take the function, I'll rewrite it as y equals, I'll flip the variables around to implicitly define and discover where y equals. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3, which is my inverse function. I can just designate it as inverse f of x equals what I discovered. And then if I graph them in such a way where I see that the graph of them are symmetric with that y equals x axis.